Now into part 3. What will the output of the code be in the file plants.txt if the file plants.txt does not exist? Okay, so this code, you just have print out A, create a new file associated with this file on your computer. You create a scanner to read from that file. Print out B. You catch an exception, and then you have a finally statement. So actually there's a mistake here too. This catch is missing the part where you name the exception that you want to try to catch. So if you answered there's an error, some kind of mistake in here, you would have received points as well. But for this example, for these answers, I'll assume that this code compiles correctly and there's no mistake here. So if plants.txt does not exist, when you try to do this line right here, you create a file f associated with plants.txt, it'll throw some type of file not found exception or IO exception, which will be caught here. So you'll print A. On this line, an error will be thrown. So you immediately skip to the catch section, print out C, and then of course you execute the finally, so you'll print out D. So you print A, C, and then D. Same thing here. There's this missing part right here. So saying something about an error. Or I guess this is multiple choice, so you just assume this is correct. But in reality, this would have thrown an error when you try to compile it, I believe. So if plants.txt does exist in the right location, when this code is executed, you print out A, and create this file, no error is thrown, so you continue on, create the scanner, you print out B, this catch suite is never executed, so you go to the finally, and you end up printing A, B, and then D here for the correct answer. And that was it for part 3.